Social media influencer Eric Celis has secured temporary liberty after the Pasay City Regional Trial Court approved his bail. Celis is facing charges of unlawful use of means of publication and cyber libel linked to allegations regarding the health of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Jane Cognita reports.
Eric Celis clarified that his presence in court was a voluntary appearance rather than a voluntary surrender, occurring after the court approved his bail set at 36,000 pesos. Celis is among those charged with cyber libel for allegedly spreading fake news or falsified medical records concerning the purportedly declining health of President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. He personally appeared before the court after the clerk of court informed him that a warrant of arrest dated May 4, 2026 had been issued. His legal team maintains that since his bond is approved, he is now officially under the custody of the law, leaving no legal basis for his arrest on the same charges while the bail is active. Celis expressed no regret over his vlog discussions regarding the president's health.
So sa tingin ko, ang pagpigil na ito ay pag-usapan in public discussion at gamitin ang pananakot ng mga kaso kagaya ng cyber libel, unlawful publication, unlawful utterances, ay isang pagsikil sa kalayaan ng mamamayan sa malayang pagpapahayag.
He further explained that his camp will continue to pursue legal remedies, including a motion to dismiss. This includes the issue of jurisdiction and a question of who has the legal standing to file a cyber libel complaint. Celis argued that cyber libel is a crime against a person and not against the state, leading to questions regarding the proper jurisdiction of the case.
Ang NBI ay walang personality to file cyber libel crime against us because cyber libel is a crime against a person. It is not a crime against the state. So therefore, kung mayroon man pong nasaktan o na-offend sa cyber libel na issue, yun dapat ay si Marcos Jr. ang mag-file, hindi ang NBI.
Meanwhile, Celis assured that he would comply with all court conditions while under temporary liberty. The court has scheduled his arraignment and pre-trial for May 8 at 8:30 in the morning. This has been Jane Cognita, Citizen Correspondent reporting for Newsline World.